11 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're cutting carbs or sugar, whether it's for weight loss, managing diabetes, or just living a healthier lifestyle, today's video is a must-watch. We're diving into the 11 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with a bold one: red meats, including beef, lamb, bison, and venison. These meats are not just carb-free and sugar-free, they're also incredibly nutrient-dense. When we say zero carbs, we mean literally zero, making them perfect for keto, carnivore, or low-carb diets. Now, let's get real. Red meat often gets a bad rap, but much of that comes from outdated or misleading studies that didn't distinguish between processed junk meats and whole, unprocessed, grass-fed meat. There's a huge difference. What do you actually get in red meat? High-quality protein that supports muscle repair and satiety. B vitamins, especially B12, which is essential for nerve function and energy. Iron in its heme form, which is far more bioavailable than the iron found in plant-based foods. Zinc, for a healthy immune system. Creatine and carnosine, two compounds that boost performance and brain health. Grass-fed or pasture-raised red meats take things even further. They're higher in omega-3 fatty acids, CLA, conjugated linoleic acid, and vitamin E, all of which help reduce inflammation and support heart health. You can grill it, slow cook it, sear it in butter, however you like it, just keep it clean and unprocessed. So don't fear the steak. When sourced responsibly, red meat is one of nature's cleanest, most complete foods. At number 2, we've got the nutrient-dense king of leafy greens, kale. Now technically, kale does contain a small amount of carbs, but most of that is fiber, which doesn't spike blood sugar and actually supports gut health. In terms of net carbs, kale is incredibly low and completely sugar-free. So, why all the hype? Kale is loaded with vitamin K1, vital for bone health and blood clotting. Vitamin C, for immune strength and collagen production. Lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes. Sulforaphane, a cancer-fighting compound found in cruciferous veggies. Kale is also alkalizing, meaning it helps balance your body's pH, especially helpful in diets heavy in acidic foods like grains or processed meats. You can throw it in salads, saute it in olive oil, or bake it into chips for a crunchy, guilt-free snack. And here's a quick tip: massage it with olive oil before eating it raw. It softens the texture and brings out its natural flavor, making it way more enjoyable. Coming in at number 3, eggs, nature's perfect little nutrition package. Eggs are completely sugar-free and nearly zero carb, yet they're full of essential nutrients your body craves. Each egg delivers around 6 grams of high-quality protein. Choline, vital for brain development and liver function. Lutein and zeaxanthin, again for eye health. And a range of B vitamins and trace minerals. And let's clear this up once and for all: the yolk is not the enemy. It's where all the good stuff is, like vitamin D, omega-3s, and fat-soluble vitamins A, E, and K. Eggs are incredibly versatile, affordable, and satisfying. You can boil a bunch ahead of time for a grab-and-go snack, or scramble them with herbs for a quick low-carb breakfast. They're also one of the most bioavailable protein sources, meaning your body absorbs and uses them very efficiently. At number 4, we're cracking open a seriously underrated nut: pecans. While many nuts are healthy, pecans are especially beneficial for low-carb diets because they have one of the lowest net carb counts, just 1 gram per ounce, and zero sugar. They're rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, magnesium, for muscle and nerve function, polyphenols, antioxidants that protect your cells from oxidative stress. Plus, they support healthy cholesterol levels and help manage inflammation. Pecans also contain oleic acid, the same fat found in olive oil, and can help promote satiety and reduce hunger, making them a great option if you're trying to cut back on snacking. But avoid candied or flavored pecans, those often come loaded with added sugars. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications on to stay updated to our latest health and nutrition tips. Number 5 is a fan favorite: cheese. The great thing about cheese is that most varieties have little to no carbs or sugar, especially hard or aged cheeses like Parmesan, Cheddar, Gouda, and Swiss. Here's what you're getting in a good quality cheese: calcium, which keeps bones and teeth strong; protein, which keeps you full and satisfied; vitamin A, crucial for skin and vision; and even probiotics, especially in aged or raw cheeses. Cheese can be part of a balanced low-carb diet when enjoyed in moderation. Stick with full-fat, minimally processed options and avoid those pre-shredded varieties. They often contain starchy additives to prevent clumping. Use it to elevate a meal, add creaminess to a dish, or just pair it with pecans for a savory snack that hits all the marks. At number 6, let's show some love to cauliflower and its cruciferous cousins, like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and bok choy. These vegetables are low in net carbs, completely sugar-free, and full of fiber, vitamins, and plant compounds that offer powerful health benefits. Cauliflower, for example, is a low-carb superhero. It's often used as a substitute for mashed potatoes, rice, even pizza crust. What makes cruciferous veggies so special? They contain glucosinolates, which convert into compounds like sulforaphane, shown to support detox pathways and even help protect against cancer. They're also packed with vitamin C, folate, fiber, which supports gut health and digestion. Roast them with olive oil, steam them, or toss them into stir-fries. Either way, you're getting a nutrient-dense, sugar-free addition to your plate. At number 7, it's a tag team of healthy fats: avocados and extra virgin olive oil. Let's start with avocados. They're technically a fruit, but unlike bananas or apples, they're ultra-low in carbs and completely sugar-free. A single avocado is rich in potassium, even more than a banana; monounsaturated fats, which support heart health; fiber, for stable blood sugar and good digestion; magnesium, a nutrient many people are deficient in. Then there's extra virgin olive oil, a liquid gold that's packed with anti-inflammatory polyphenols. It's been shown to reduce the risk of stroke, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. Use olive oil in salad dressings, drizzled over veggies, or even as a dip for keto bread. Combine it with avocado and you've got a delicious, healing fat combo your body will love. Butter is back, and we're not mad about it. As long as you're choosing real, grass-fed butter, it's a zero-carb, zero-sugar fat that's not only delicious but also nutrient-dense. Here's what grass-fed butter provides: CLA, conjugated linoleic acid, which may help with fat metabolism and reduce inflammation; vitamin A, for skin, immunity, and vision; vitamin K2, a little-known nutrient that helps direct calcium into bones and away from arteries. Butter also contains butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that supports gut health and may help reduce inflammation in the colon. So don't fear butter. It's a clean, satisfying fat that fits perfectly into a no-carb lifestyle. Just skip the margarine and go with the real thing. 9. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are one of the most versatile, nutrient-packed foods you can eat. While they do contain trace amounts of carbohydrates, the net carb impact is minimal, and they're completely sugar-free. What makes mushrooms amazing? Ergothioneine, a rare antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage; beta-glucans, which enhance immune function; B vitamins, especially riboflavin and niacin for energy and metabolism; and even compounds that support gut and brain health. They're also anti-inflammatory and may help improve insulin sensitivity. Add them to omelets, stir-fries, or grill them as a meat substitute. Mushrooms offer incredible depth of flavor and loads of health benefits. Coming in at number 10, herbs. While they're often used in small amounts, herbs are powerful medicinal plants that are virtually free of carbs and sugar, yet rich in phytonutrients and flavor. Let's highlight a few stars. Basil fights inflammation, supports liver function, and may reduce anxiety. Oregano, one of the most potent antimicrobial herbs, great for gut health. Thyme, excellent for respiratory health and fighting colds. Cilantro, detoxifies heavy metals and supports digestion. Parsley, rich in chlorophyll and vitamin K. Rosemary, improves focus and memory, thanks to compounds like rosmarinic acid. Adding fresh herbs to your meals doesn't just make food taste better, it also enhances its nutritional profile in a big way. Plus, they're calorie-free, carb-free, and sugar-free. And finally, we're wrapping things up with a true superfood, wild-caught salmon. This fish is packed with lean protein, and like the others on our list, contains 0 carbs and 0 sugar. The star here is omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, which are linked to lower inflammation, better brain function, reduced risk of heart disease, and improved mood and mental clarity. Wild salmon is also a great source of selenium, for thyroid health, astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that gives salmon its pink color, B vitamins, which help convert food into energy. Aim for wild-caught over farmed if possible. It's cleaner, leaner, and more nutrient-rich. Grill it, bake it, or serve it raw as sashimi. Salmon fits perfectly into a sugar-free, carb-free lifestyle. And there you have it, 11 of the healthiest foods you can eat with absolutely no carbs and no sugar. If you're on keto, low-carb, or just trying to eat clean, these are the real MVPs. What's your favorite from the list? Or did we miss one of your go-to low-carb staples? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more health content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.